Yes. I'm in the middle of something. Again. It is an ongoing theme. I keep trying to explain. I fuck with things, and I'm in the middle of fucking with something. All the time. I got back into therapy, which is, at least now they put me up on a standing frame and fucking electrocute me. But I've noticed a trend. Everything is fucking electro-stim. This thing fucking even looking at me. Look this fucking thing. Pay your fucking attention. Got these new fucking jerk-off glasses. I swear to God, I can't see shit with them. Yeah, I can, but I can't. But it seems like all they do is just electrocute everybody. Everything is FES, you know, electrostim, and, you know, it's like the therapists don't even do therapy anymore. They do, it's just been upgraded to a different way. I want to go old school, but even still, I go old school myself. So, you know, I haven't really thought about it, so I haven't had anything to fucking say. A lot of the videos that I do, you'll notice I always, I honestly don't really give a shit if somebody watches them. I don't care. I originally started doing them just to keep track of what it was I was doing in my progress. I wanted a chronicle. See, the king of the fucking jerk-offs. Wanted to keep track of the shit that I was doing in the progress that I was making. And then I decided, if I'm going to start making these fucking things, I should at least make it so there's something that somebody wants to fucking watch. Well, I haven't thought about anything that anybody's going to want to watch. But it's August here in Jersey, and one of the things when it's like 85, 95 degrees, we get these freak fucking thunderstorms that show up. Pretty much within 5-10 minutes, you're in the middle of a torrent. And I thought about it, and I was like, that's what we'll do. So that's what we'll do. I'm in the middle. I'm always in the middle. Always fucking with something. How'd it go? Stick around. Listen up.
Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone, riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road, his brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah. Girl, you gotta love your man. Girl, you gotta love your man.